लोग ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते हैं स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी पे, तो मैंने कहा ठीक है इस बार देख लेते हैं, ध्यान देते हैं, प्लीज़ डोंट लेट मी डाउन। नहीं भी आया तो गुस्सा, बट आई डोंट डाउन ऑन दैट पर्सन, ही विल मेक यू लाफ। सो हियर आर सम लाइन्स फॉर हिम। आसान है मुस्कुराना, आसान है मुस्कुराना, बड़ा मुश्किल है हंसाना, और इसी मुश्किल का हल लेके आए हैं मंदार जी, बस अब खूब हंसाना।
The real reason for keeping me for the last is because बीच में करता तो कितने लोग रहते पता नहीं अभी तक।
नहीं है जितने भी।
हाँ।
I kept my words.
So yeah, thank you so much. So first of all, I would, please give a huge round of applause for all the performers out here. This wonderful evening. Okay, is this better?
Without mic, you can go.
Without mic?
Yep.
All right. मुझे कुर्सियों के लिए परफॉर्म करना आता है एक्चुअली, तो माइक तो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है। सुनाई दे रहा है मेरा आवाज़?
Yes.
ओके, बस हंसी नहीं आ रही। All right. So yeah, as I was saying, I am a stand-up comedian, so definitely not an artist. And so I am in awe with all the artists right here, right now. And as जैसे आकांक्षा ने बोला कि first of all, जब मुझे पता चला कि ये poetry night में आना है, तो I was very intimidated because poetry intimidates me. ये लोग सोचते हैं actually. As someone said rightly, I write in English and I'm fluent in German. And वैसे ही मैं I write in a book and I'm fluent in Silly. So please bear with me. It was a wonderful night. Thank you so much for all the lovely words, and I hope I can entertain at least 2 people here, and one of them will be Akansha because she was called me here. So comedians. Why I say comedians and poets don't go well together is because comedians like to make fun of everyone, and poetry gives us so much content. I'm sorry. Poets are nice people, but I guess sometimes weird. सीधा जवाब ही नहीं मिलता।
बड़ा बात है।
So true.
I was just sitting there and I was listening to a conversation happening here. Someone asked, I think Amir, I'm sorry if I'm offending you, but that is my work. Someone asked him, do you write under this name? And he gave a lecture of 5 minutes कि क्या art में नाम क्या होता है, बस feelings important होती है. I agree, completely agree, but as I said, I'm just silly. So sorry. But I especially love the people. Siddiqui साहब ने I think perform किया था. He was like, they perform in Urdu and real time में translate करते हैं कि इश्क मतलब love, मतलब प्रेम, मतलब समझ ही गए हो। But मतलब idiot लगता है ना ऑडियंस को कि हमें नहीं पता वो words, तो अच्छा but feelings अच्छे होते हैं. Anyway, I'll start my set. This was all that I was thinking sitting there. So, my name is Mandar and I'm a Maharashtrian. Maharashtrians in the house. Give me a Jai Bhavani.
Jai Bhavani.
Exactly. The right answer is Jai Shivaji.
You must have to say that.
No, give me a Jai Bhavani is a call for Jai Shivaji. But I know I am a Maharashtrian. So I think Maharashtrians are extremely, fake people. Because I am one. I know from experience. We have Sachin Tendulkar, but we also have Shreyas Thakade. We have Lata Mangeshkar, but we also have Rakhi Sawant. But yeah, so I am one of them. I am a Maharashtrian. I grew up in Aurangabad. You know what Aurangabad is? If you don't know what Aurangabad is, just think of it as Pimpri Chinchwad of Maharashtra. Nobody cares about Aurangabad. But I grew up in Aurangabad in a very what do you call it, quintessential Maharashtrian family. And we were very cheap. Yeah, we like to call us poor, but actually we were cheap. We were so cheap that my name is Mandar and my nickname was Money. And I grew up in Aurangabad in a cheap Maharashtrian family, and we did not, Aurangabad has a huge problem of garbage disposal, as in they don't dispose it at all. वहाँ पे उतना इतना कचरा है कि कचरा ओवरफ्लो हो रहा है पुणे में. But where we lived, in front of our building was a playground. Playground ऐसे इसलिए कर रहा हूँ मैं क्योंकि playground पे सिर्फ कचरा था.
Okay.
So if Maharashtrian people will know this term ukirda, right? We used to play on that ground and our cricket team was very nicely called ukirda team. Yeah, and we used to play there because we didn't know कि साफ playground में कोई चीज होती है. And we used to play there all day, and in the evening my mom used to call me back कि मनी अभी वापस आ जाओ घर पे, आते हुए थोड़ा सा खाना भी लेके आना. उस टाइम का स्विगी था. But then I used to come home in the evening, and the first thing that my mom did, the first thing that she did was put all my clothes in the washing machine along with me. ऊपर से 4 बूंद उजाला डालती थी. उजाला पता है सबको यहाँ पे? 4 बूंद वाला. कपड़ों के रेशो तक जाए, सफेदी का नया रंग लाए. That is all the poetry I know. Thank you. Plagiarized. But ऊपर से 4 बूंद उजाला डालती थी. 2 बूंद कपड़ों के लिए होता था, 2 बूंद मेरे लिए. मेरे को आज तक पोलियो नहीं हुआ है. Yeah, but that story unfortunately does not end well, guys. Yeah, my mom was arrested. Yeah, she was charged with money laundering. एक जोक के लिए पूरा सेट लिखा है. But I recently got married 1 month back. I was dating my girlfriend, not this, my girlfriend for 7 years, and then parents were like कि इस रिश्ते को कुछ नाम देना चाहिए, and then we decided let's get married in December 2020. But then the whole COVID thing happened and lockdowns happened, so we preponed it to October. क्योंकि अगर रुकते लॉकडाउन खत्म होने तक ज़्यादा लोग बुलाने पड़ते हैं, तो we were like कि मौके का फायदा उठाते हैं, so we preponed it in October. But married life is not what I had expected. You get advice, the same advice from everybody. Everybody. Nobody is happy. Nobody, the wish, happy married life, nobody tells you that. They are like, बस 1 महीना अच्छा चलेगा. Everybody, even my parents, बस संभाल लेना. अरे हम दारू पीने थोड़ी जा रहे हैं, संभाल लेना. We are getting married, you should wish us a good life ahead and all. But नहीं, सब डरा रहे हैं कि यार 1 महीने तक अच्छा चलता है, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं. I'm helping my wife. I know cooking, she does not. I cook myself. तो people are like 1 महीने तक चलेगा, उसके बाद वो कर लेंगे. Everything happens for 1 month. But as I said, we did not learn anything. Me and my wife both don't know anything about household, cooking, etc. We just wing it. But one thing that she has learned from her mother, I think, is save electricity. That's all. तो वो हर बटन बंद करती रहती. I was like, लैपटॉप क्यों नहीं चार्ज है? She was like, बटन ऑन था. बस गोपी बहू जैसे लैपटॉप होती है, वो मुझे चार्ज नहीं करने देती. Our whole life revolves around the geyser button. क्योंकि geyser takes up more electricity, तो वो बंद करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो नहाओ ना नहाओ is not important. Just button बंद होना चाहिए. I'm just ranting. There's no joke here. One thing that frustrates me is, imagine you are on a summer day. You are outside. You are very thirsty. and you want a drink, you go to a shop and you tell bhaiya ek cold drink dena. Now there are two kinds of bhaiyas. One bhaiya will give you the cold drink, other bhaiya will tell you fridge mein se le lo. Now the other bhaiya who tells you that fridge mein se le lo, invariably does not know the price of that bottle. So he tells you कि price भी दे दो, price भी बताओ मुझे. Now this is where my frustration starts. Okay, I don't know if this happens with you, but you take the bottle out, I take the bottle out, and you look for the MRP on that bottle, and then you look, then you turn the bottle, you look, you turn the bottle upside down, you look, you can't find the MRP, and everyone around you in your head is judging you because you can't find the MRP. Now your hand is cold, colder than the actual cold drink, but you still can't find the MRP. You're frustrated, you still can't find the MRP, and just like the USB thing, you know, पहली बार जो होता है वही सही होता है. You find finally the MRP on the label. You get really happy कि अभी मैं पैसा दूंगा, मस्त कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीऊंगा, इधर से निकलूंगा. MRP पी के you see, अरे वाह MRP मिल गया, and MRP के सामने लिखा होता है C bottle for MRP. So now you look at the cap, and because of that condensate which has reached your sleeve by now and is inside your arm, because of that condensate वो print मिट गया होता है. So you put the bottle back in the freezer, you pull out the another bottle. Now this time you know what the price is, where the price is. But then you have to pay with Google Pay and whole new frustration starts.
Yes.
नहीं ये relatable होती.
No, it never works.
Never works. This joke I know.
Okay.
Because she got it later.
Wow, fun था ये. Nice. Thank you for the interaction. और क्या है मेरे पास? All right. So I have a lot of content, but there's a kid here, so I'm gonna refrain. And Google Maps in that car. The Google Map is saying, take the next right, child. And it's not just the sticker. The sticker says, Jesus will show you the way. और उसके नीचे, Jesus is going like. Thank you so much, guys. My name is